In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to HubSpot. If you want your website, landing pages, blog, or other HubSpot content to appear on your own branded domain, this process is essential. HubSpot makes the setup fairly straightforward, but there are a few important choices along the way, especially when it comes to domain type and DNS configuration. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, head to the main dashboard so you can access your account settings. This is where HubSpot stores the tools for managing your website connections and domain configuration. From there, click on Settings. This will open the main settings area for your account, where you can manage everything from preferences to content-related options. Next, look for Content in the Settings menu and click into it. Inside the Content section, you'll find the tools that control how your web assets are published and organized within HubSpot. After that, click on Domains and URLs. This is the section where you manage connected domains, subdomains, and the URLs used across your HubSpot hosted content. If you've connected domains before, you may already see them listed here. Now click on Connect Hosting Domain. This starts the setup wizard that HubSpot uses to guide you through connecting a domain for hosted content. At this point, select the domain type you want to connect. This choice depends on what you plan to use the domain for. For example, you might be connecting a subdomain for a website, blog, landing pages, or email content. Be sure to choose the option that matches your intended use, since this affects how HubSpot configures the connection. Next, enter your domain name and choose which content types will live there. This is an important step because it tells HubSpot exactly where your content should be published. Make sure the domain is entered correctly and double check that the content assignments align with your publishing plan. It's a good idea to think this through before moving on, especially if you're managing multiple subdomains. To finalize the connection, you'll need to authorize the domain by updating your DNS settings with your domain registrar. HubSpot will typically provide the DNS records you need to add or update. Then you'll log into your domain registrar, locate the DNS management area, and apply those changes exactly as shown. DNS updates can take some time to propagate, so if the connection doesn't verify immediately, give it a little time and check back. Once the DNS changes are recognized, your domain should connect successfully to HubSpot. And that's it. You're ready to start publishing content on your connected domain.